gorgeous day here in Vancouver, so I'm going to try and get that follow me function working on the drone and do some waterfront shots over in West Vancouver. The quest for follow me control started when we discovered the Lychee app for our Mavic Mini. This is the Lychee app. Of course, it's not connected to anything right now, but it's got a feature up here where you can change the setting to a follow me mode right there. And then you've got settings down here, and it opens this thing up so you can set the altitude above you and the distance from you and the direction that it's pointing, and then hit start. Well, this direction thing is very, very hard to get, so the other way is to put the aircraft where you want it and then press this button here, and it'll just start following you from wherever it is and maintain that distance and direction. Here's a great shot, but no follow me. When I got back to it, I discovered that I hadn't pushed the start button on the follow me. Here is another attempt, looking good. Yeah, looking good, but the road's pretty rough here. And all of a sudden, she just stops because the controller fell out of the bag. This is lovely Caulfield Cove, where I gave it another attempt. Got it up, got it to follow me for about 500 meters while I was driving, and landed and realized I hadn't pressed autoplay. So I changed the setting to up here to camera. And this top one here, auto record. And I took some manual shots of Caulfield Cove just so I had something. So I headed out towards Whitecliff, but it's windy here flying the drone. I made one more try at this little parking lot overlooking Horseshoe Bay. You can see it's a bit of a performance to set up the drone for each shot. Once flying, the drone would not do follow me because there wasn't good enough GPS reception with the mountain beside me. I decided to give it one more try. 6 a.m., Jericho Beach, no wind. And then